In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find sales tax report in Shopify. If you need a clear snapshot of how much tax you've collected for different regions and filing periods, this is the report you'll rely on. I'll walk you through where it lives in your Shopify admin and how to fine-tune it so it matches your filing needs. Start by heading to shopify.com and sign in to your store's admin. You'll land on the dashboard. For the smoothest experience, use a desktop browser so you can easily see the full navigation. From the dashboard, look to the bottom left corner and click Settings. This area is where Shopify keeps all your store-wide configuration, so it's the right place for anything related to taxes, payments, and compliance. Inside Settings, select Taxes and Duties. This section controls how you collect taxes across countries and states, and it's also where Shopify places the tax reporting tools you'll use for filings. Once you're on the Taxes and Duties page, scroll down. You're looking for the reporting area dedicated to tax summaries. Keep scrolling until you see the option for Global Collected Tax Report. This is the built-in report that consolidates tax collected across your supported regions. Click Global Collected Tax Report. The report will open and show you totals of the tax you've collected, organized by region and time frame. This is useful for understanding your overall liability and for preparing returns. If you manage multiple jurisdictions, this view helps you confirm where tax was collected and in what amounts. Now refine the report using the filters. Set your date range to match your filing period, monthly, quarterly, or yearly, so your numbers line up with the period you're reporting. You can filter by country or region to focus on specific jurisdictions, and you may have options to filter by sales channel or order status if you need a more precise slice. Accurate filters are key. Even a small mismatch in dates can cause reconciliation headaches later. A few quick tips as you review the data. Make sure the time zone and currency in your store settings match how you file. Choose the exact filing period your tax authority expects, and if totals seem off, confirm that taxes are enabled on your products and that your tax registrations are set correctly in Taxes and Duties. If the report doesn't appear, it may be because you haven't collected tax for the selected period or you need to adjust your tax regions. That's it. Navigate to Settings, open Taxes and Duties, scroll to Global Collected Tax Report, and use filters to get the precise view you need. Save this workflow for each filing period to stay organized and compliant.